Greetings fellow LEGO fans, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Tearing It Apart. This time it's the Overwatch episode. Yeah, two nice sets, Hanzo vs Genji and the Dorado Showdown. Really great set, but yeah, too little space, so some have to go and they will be broken down, packed up and hopefully rebuilt sometime in the future. Yeah, Hanzo vs Genji, a nice set with a Asian style dojo or whatever this should be. I have no idea what the game is really about.
You know nothing.
And the Dorado Showdown with this nice house front and the little market stand and the awesome hovering truck. Just gotta love it. Yeah, but sadly not enough space, so I think I'll have to start tearing it apart. And that's what I'll do now. So, hope you like some destruction time.
Kaboom!
Yes, Rico. Kaboom.
Yeah. Well, here are the pieces of the first set, the Dorado Showdown, and now let's just bake it up. Yeah, and now off to the other set. And here there are rather few pieces of this set, and again it's time to pick it up. So yeah, and here the baked up sets, Dorado Showdown, Hanzo vs Genji, and yeah, that's it already for this video. If you want to see me build sets or even destroy sets, you should definitely subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and you could also hit the bell button. Little ring will tell you whenever a new video is up. And well, that's it already. Nothing more to tell you. So, see you in the next one. Bye bye.